Yuka, how many biscuits do you need to make?
He's really cooked.
Does anybody else's cat like to just sit up and watch them cook? Or is it just ours?
Dude actually figured out how to rewind the video on his own. A betrayal never comes from an enemy.
You can't like have my cat scratch the scratch pad on his own. You gotta like rev him up. You gotta really just rev him up. And get those ears down. And there he goes.
Never in my 9 lives stare.